Hi Deirdre, I'm here to ask you 17 questions in 80 seconds.
Okay, let's go for it.
How long have you worked in Jameson?
8 years.
What do you never go to work without?
Snacks. Hangry Deirdre is not someone you'd like to work with.
Define your job in 3 words.
Barrel of laughs.
What's your favourite movie?
Lost in translation.
What's your actual favourite movie?
The Princess Bride.
What's one thing that people don't know about you?
I'm an acupuncturist.
What's your guilty pleasure?
A TV show. It rhymes with the Smarsmashians.
What's your favourite time of day?
Sunrise.
What's one thing that people don't know about your job?
We carry out quality control checks with the nose and not with taste. We're typically looking for caramel and vanilla notes.
What's your favourite Jameson cocktail?
I'll have a black barrel sour if you're asking.
What album is your most played on Spotify?
ABBAS Greatest Hits.
Name one thing on your bucket list.
To milk a cow.
How do you manage stress?
Things can always get worse, but things can always get better.
Summer or winter?
Spring.
What did you want to be when you grew up?
I wanted to work in a New York building with a headset. I was extremely ambitious.
Who would play you in the movie of your life?
Danny DeVito.
And what is your career highlight?
Being appointed the first ever female blender at Jameson.
Thanks for answering my questions, Deirdre.
No problem. Would you like a whiskey?
I'd love one, thanks.